Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm coming to you with a fantastic video on a great niche, which I think you guys should consider in the digital product world. And it's got fantastic potential where it can cross over into a physical product as well. So, guys, if you're interested in this video, don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed on all digital products. And if you do love digital products and you do love selling, creating them, then please stay right to the end, guys. So check this one out. Look, I'm looking at Etsy and I typed in affirmation, right? When we look at affirmation, it has a results of 209,000. Remember what I said? Whenever you're typing in affirmation or any word, try to niche down, because if you want to create something, you have to look and see how you can niche down further. So I'm using EVERBEE, which is my SEO software. So as soon as I put it in, you can see, well, it's not there yet, but you can see that the options that are coming up are these: cards printable, affirmation wall art, affirmation poster, affirmation mug, affirmation cards for kids, affirmation stickers, because digital. So what I'm trying to say is the affirmation niche has many different parts to it, and it can cross over many things. And that's where you know it's really good, because there you can find sub niches, right? So affirmation cards, I guess, are probably some of the most popular. So if I click on affirmation cards, let's see what the results say. The results go down to 39,000, almost 40,000, which is still okay to try and get into. These are all the affirmation cards. Now, if you don't know, affirmation is about positive quotes, saying things like, obviously, I'm good enough. I'm doing my best. I can do this. I am able. I have the power, right? So positive affirmations that people would kind of read just to make them also feel better and also making them feel positive. And these affirmations are becoming more and more popular. So you got all of these beautiful affirmation cards that people are selling. What's nice about this is they're also different and people have different tastes. So you might have a watercolor affirmation card. You might have affirmation card for a mum's affirmation card. You might have a teacher affirmation card. You might have affirmation card for your partner. For the kids. The beauty about this niche, you can go into many different parts of it. And then not only can you go to the different parts of it, in this case with cards, but you can also go with different products. So in this case, we've got cards and we've got cards for different things. And then it can go into many other things. Like I said, posters, wall art, and all of these are also very popular. So here's another example that I'm going to show you. A nurse Tumblr daily affirmations, right? This is specific for a nurse, guys. Look, 6 in the cart, quite popular. Let's see how much it's making on EVERBEE. $1,400. That is amazing, guys. For just is it just a wrap? It might be just a design. Yeah, let's see. Is it just a digital download design? Let's have a look. Okay. No, they're actually saying the actual tumbler. Okay, that's a tumbler with the design. But this could be also a tumbler wrap itself. But look at the niche. The niche is into the nurse daily affirmations, and that's making decent amount of money. Now, that could be also, like I said, tumbler wraps. Now, here's another one. This one's specific for kids affirmation, right? So they might have a little sign, a little plaque in their bedroom saying, I am smart, I am kind, I am brave. Really nice, really positive. Again, in this case, it's a physical product rather than a digital product. But like I said, I want to show you how you can actually get the digital into a physical product at the end of this video. So stay right to the end. Now, another one which we're going to look at, you got these beautiful cards, affirmations for a badass, right? Again, these are quite going for 20 plus in a basket. So these are making some decent amount of money. How much is it making? It's making 1,932. Now imagine you got 10 of these listings. So they do quite well. These cards as well. Teacher affirmation. Look at these teacher affirmation cards. These are quite nice. Look, a bad day does not define me as a teacher, right? So what I'm saying is there are many different types, and here's a bundle of positive affirmations and worksheets. Now, This is a digital download, right? So this is the kind of thing I'm talking about. Now, these are instant downloadable digital downloads which you can sell, and it's to do with positive affirmations, self care. Look, mental health, being positive, the lifestyle, with the stresses that people are going through in daily lives, the focus more and more on positive and well being is very, very important. People finding ways to be able to unwind, relax, and to feel good about themselves. And these go a long way. So, look, this is a digital download, guys, right? Of positive affirmations and many other things, actually. It's a whole bundle, actually. People love bundles. This is making approximately $3,000, guys, dollars a month. Granted, it's a sale right now, 50%, 20 plus in a basket. Amazing. Now, you can actually create positive affirmation. Look at this one. I mean, this one is a digital download wall art, right? Mind, body, and soul. Again, there are many different types of wall art, and affirmation ones are becoming bigger and bigger. I mean, in this case, it's 20 plus in a basket. It's a digital download, so you don't get a physical product. These are just mock ups to show you what they look like. And this one gets 3,311. Okay. Now, if I even just type in affirmation wall art, you will see how many there will be. So, what I'm trying to say is this niche has many, many crossovers, right? Many, many crossovers from simple, if you like, gentle reminder affirmations. If I just even go to EVERBEE and go to the product analytics very quickly, just to get an idea of the revenue, I'll give you a quick rundown. These things make a lot of money, right? These things, guys, are making a hell of a lot of money, these affirmations. Yeah, and the beauty is there's so many different types. You got your kids affirmation poster in a boho style, which is just literally just words, 20 plus in a basket. Look at that, very popular. Going back, you got so many different styles. And a lot of these gentle reminders with little images, daily affirmations, affirmation station, cards deck. Look at this one. Look at this one. It's quite nice as well. Gentle reminders. Now, a lot of these can be very easily done in something like Canva. And hopefully I will do a video on how to create either affirmation cards or wall art. Tell me what kind of affirmation you'd like to see and put it in the comments below, and I'll try and do that for you. But this is a niche, and this is what I like. I like niches that have really good crossovers. And I'll be honest with you, many, many things cross over, many niches. Okay. So in this case, you've got these kind of wall arts, but it goes beyond that. Like I said, it goes beyond that. And not only is it just about wall art, but it's also things like t-shirt designs. So when you actually create something like affirmation clip art, for example, the clip art can become not only clip art, it can become t-shirt design. It can become designs that can go on a card. So I'll just give you a quick idea. So affirmation, and I'll do clip art. I'm sure there's going to be something, because it seems like affirmation is in many, many niches. Okay, so here you go. As I said, affirmation printables, right? So these things can be used in many different things. You got a PNG bundle, right? Here we go. So let's just show you. These guys look like they're showing you how they can be used. So you got 14 in carts, and you got these, if you like, nice, cool affirmation little words. It's okay to feel lost sometimes, and all other different ones. And look at this. This is what I'm talking about. You can actually have this on different products. So you can see it on a tote bag. You can see these affirmation on, what's that? A jumper? I don't know what that is. On a t-shirt. Here we go, on like a little label, on a jumper, right? On a pillowcase, on a jumper again. See what I'm saying, guys? So what I'm saying is this crossover for affirmation can not only just be about cards, because people think, oh, it's going to be a cards, but it can be on many, many different things. And like I said, how it works is, let's say you create this in something like Canva and you have it as a digital download and you set it in your store. Not only would you have, see, this is a digital download. Look at that. PNG files, that's it. And the customer can use it for many different things, which they're doing here. Look, stickers on various items, right? So this is what I'm saying. And what you do is you would hook up, let's say, integrate something called Printify. Printify is like a dropshipping third-party platform where you can integrate. So I've just shown how to create a design on a mug, for example, or this clip art, beautiful clip art on a mug. So how it works is you'd actually create your clip art and have it on products as well. So you'd integrate Printify, which this is, and Printify is like a third-party platform where it actually puts your design onto products. So let's say you got a digital file like the clip art that I showed you, and you want to put that digital file and you want to maybe sell somebody, it could be a mug. So for example, I've created this design already before, which is a poppy, watercolor poppy clip art, and you can see that what Printify has done is they put my design on the mug. Now, when a customer comes and they want to buy it, obviously they would sell them the physical product. You don't need to do anything. They will send out that physical product and then you will get your cut from what the sale is. Simple as that, guys. So this is what I'm saying. Affirmation digital download, if you create something like, maybe it could be a digital download card, right? So let's just go and make life easier. Affirmation digital, and we said clip art, digital download, right? Affirmation digital download, right? Now it's going to give us the results for the type of digital downloads, and you can see printable manifestation affirmation cards, right? There's many different types of these. So this one could be a case of, you could sell a digital download of these, and then maybe some of the designs could actually be integrated onto various other products as well, right? It's not difficult, guys. It's not hard to actually think of how it can work, but this is just to give you an idea. Like, if you want to simplify things, you don't even need to make any physical product. You can just have a simple digital file like this, 60, very simple, boho style maybe, with these nice simple colors, and it tells you these are downloadable. Let's have a look, PDF, and you get all these different files and you can print them at your leisure. And then gives you an idea with the mock-ups what it would look like, guys, because obviously that's what it would look like. So guys, that is it. This is an affirmation niche, and I just thought I'd give you an idea about how you can actually sell it using the digital download product, and also how it can cross over into a physical product. Hope you like the video, guys. Hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys. And if you don't forget, check out the videos coming next. Check out all the links in my description, and I'll see you in the next video.